Hey NFT lovers! Metaverse is taking the NFT ecosystem by storm, and some suggest that it will take the whole NFTs up to a whole new level. As Facebook announced their plans to enter the Metaverse and rebranded themselves as Meta, more firms are entering into this space. As crypto art, we will cover the topic of Metaverse as it's becoming more popular and attracting further attention. Now let's begin. So, what is the metaverse? Metaverse is known as a set of virtual worlds where people can do whatever they do in their social lives. We can go shopping, going to concerts and having fun in the nightlife or in a pub or socializing with other people. However, we do them at the comfort of our own online devices, therefore allowing us to function in real life with the comfort from our homes and our online platforms. And to make it happen, Metaverse protocols uses virtual reality, augmented reality, social media, and blockchain technology. So they are simply virtual worlds with virtual economies built within themselves. As we answer the question of what Metaverse is, let's talk about the attributes of Metaverse. First one is persistence. Virtual worlds in Metaverse is available when you want to visit it. So we can visit whenever we like and we don't really lose anything. Your surroundings could be changed by adding various infrastructure, buildings, items, and lands as long as our protocol allows it and to be changed as we are similar to the real world. And most importantly, their places will be changed and these changes remain in place and will be saved automatically, unlike most video games. Even more, your virtual residence is being owned just by you and you can visit it whenever you like, and also having an ownership allowing you to to actually own it and also to make other people visit the place. So it relies on your user generated content in the same as social media does today. The second one is synchronicity. Metaverse protocols work out with internet and blockchain and helping people to interact each other through virtual reality and augmented reality as long as they have some internet connection. As blockchain records solid transactions in a ledger, which is open for all everyone to see with a computer or an online platform with internet connection, every transaction can be proven with respect to synchronicity, allowing an agreement where individuals were present during a given time. Third one is interoperability. Thanks to the bridging ability brought by the blockchain 3.0 technology, most of the applications can now be bridged to another network, thus so preventing value loss while transferring your assets to another network, which was rather impossible when considering 5 years ago. Even though it exists on decentralized finance applications or DeFi, Metaverse protocols could take advantage of bridging to another blockchain networks. The fourth one and the primary feature is virtual world. Virtual world makes metaverse distinguished from real world. In order to get into the world, an online device that supports 3D graphics and variable technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality would be sufficient, making you feel and experience the virtual world like as you feel in your own social life, thus making you more present in the metaverse and less present in the everyday world we live in. The fifth one is virtual reality. Another main feature of metaverse includes virtual reality, where the virtual reality is being incorporated into computers, mobile phones, and to the internet to connect with people like as you do in your social life in real time. Virtual headset is required to feel even more present. This provides more realistic experience at digital universe, allowing to feel digital items as they were real. The sixth one is other people are involved in the virtual experience, which is really close to the real life. As Metaverse requires people to connect with each other in the internet as we experience social life in real life, people are needed to create community within the metaverse to interact with each other from various means. They may do economic transactions to sell goods and services to each other for profit, creating pathways for people to connect in online. That includes properties, lands, nightclubs, or any other venues with virtual reality and augmented reality at the protocol's disposal. The seventh one is connection to the real world. Even if Metaverse incorporates virtual reality and contains features from the virtual world, technology allows people to connect with each other as if they were at the same place at the same time, allowing people to connect without having to leave their homes through their online devices, which was rather impossible considering the borders around the world. So, as we answered all the questions related to the attributes of Metaverse and what Metaverse is, let's answer about how Metaverse works. Metaverse works through blockchain and NFTs to provide a virtual world experience as it is real through blo- virtual reality. Through protocols, people can interact with virtual worlds through their wallets. Then you'll need to have respective cryptocurrency of their protocols and interact with the real world through a variety of goods and services. So, as we answer the third question, so what are the projects at Metaverse ecosystem? And there are a lot of projects. However, these three called Decentraland, Sandbox, and Axie Infinity attracts the most attention. So let's begin with the most prominent one, the Central Land. The Central Land is a virtual reality game where players can interact with each other through goods and services. In the Central Land, users can purchase goods such as items, lands, properties, NFTs, and could sell them for a higher price through the game's mana token by using Ethereum network. Even more, they've created a decentralized autonomous organization, or simply known as DAO, to further alleviate governance decisions, therefore making the game more democratized when comparing with their counterparts. The second one is Sandbox. Sandbox is similar to Decentraland, is an online blockchain-based game with decentralized autonomous organizations and NFTs like Decentraland. Their main difference would lie in their ability to make people play to earn and making most of their revenue from the same model to create and use goods and services created by their application for players to profit from the whole game. This game uses sand tokens to facilitate transactions on the game, and they use Ethereum network just like Decentraland. The third one and our final project is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity took the world media by storm with their massive surge through thanks to the blockchain gaming and metaverse, which is another play to earn game where users buy and sell items and gets into competitive clashes with each other in order to obtain rewards through rankings decided by the game itself. Even though there are various kinds of items from common, rare, legendary, and furthermore, these items had to be bought by the respective cryptocurrency to fight with others throughout the game and to obtain rewards depending on your equipment and the skill with the game. And like Sandbox, they use their own cryptocurrencies called the access tokens as a unit of exchange to obtain goods and services being used in the protocol. And as we finish the project, we have a simple request Please like the video and leave a comment as it allows us to engage with YouTube algorithms. Finally, if you want to create your NFTs and to have deep knowledge about NFTs at large, please book a consultation sessions with us. And we are preparing a curriculum for education where most people will know about NFTs at large, especially in the art sector. And if you want to get into the current developments in our business, please follow our social media platforms, especially Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter as Crypto Art.